Lurking in the icy streams of China, the giant salamander looks like something out of the Jurassic period. At up to 1.8 meters long, it is the world's largest amphibian. But what is equally intriguing is that it is being farmed on a massive scale in China. Is this a way to save this ancient salamander from extinction, or is it just a new threat? In China, giant salamanders, Andreas davidianus, are farmed on a large scale for commercial and conservation purposes. The farming model is generally divided into two main stages, based on the size and developmental stage of the salamander. The mating season for salamanders is usually in late summer, with males occupying burrows to attract females. After mating, females lay 400 to 500 eggs, which the males guard for 2 to 3 months until they hatch. Chinese giant salamander eggs are about 5 to 7 millimeters in diameter, laid in long chains and attached to surfaces in water caves. In captivity, water conditions need to be controlled to ensure a high hatching rate. In the larval stage, 0 to 3 months old, they are raised in clean water tanks with a stable temperature of 16 to 22 degrees Celsius, rich in oxygen. In the larval stage, 0 to 3 months old, they are raised in clean water tanks with a stable temperature of 16 to 22 degrees Celsius, rich in oxygen. Initially, the larvae live on yolk. When they reach 3 months old, they begin to grow legs, gradually losing their external gills. On farms, the Chinese giant salamander's diet changes with each stage of its development. In the larval stage, 0 to 3 months old, it lives on yolk and then eats plankton, insect larvae, and small crustaceans. When it grows legs, 3 months to 1 year old, it switches to earthworms, small fish, shrimp, and insects. In the juvenile stage, 1 to 3 years old, it can eat small frogs, crabs, larger fish, oitoch, and sometimes other salamanders if food is scarce. Water temperature when raising giant salamanders indoors should be maintained at 16 to 22 degrees Celsius to ensure healthy growth. Oxygen needs to be maintained at a constant level to create an optimal environment for the salamanders to thrive. By the time the salamanders are 1 year old, about 30 to 50 centimeters long, they are better at hunting and are ready to be transferred to an outdoor environment such as an artificial stream or an outdoor enclosure for a better chance of growth. Keeping the cage clean helps the giant salamander grow healthily, reducing the risk of disease by up to 70%. Changing 30 to 50% of the water every week, filtering it regularly, and removing leftover food helps maintain a stable environment, limiting bacteria, fungi, and digestive problems, ensuring a good growth rate. When the Chinese giant salamanders reach a suitable size, they are harvested and sold to restaurants, medicinal markets, or conservation programs. Farmers collect the salamanders in carts and then transport them to a weighing station where the exact number is recorded before they are sent to market. Salamander is one of the unique specialties in China, often processed into dishes such as salamander stewed with Chinese medicine and sand salamander soup. With high nutritional content, salamander meat is believed to have nourishing effects and improve health. It is also used in traditional medicine. Thank you for taking the time to learn. Have a nice day and see you again.
The heavy machinery industry has experienced a transformative revolution with the integration of cutting-edge technology, resulting in unprecedented levels of efficiency, power, and precision. These advancements are reshaping industries such as construction, demolition, and mining, significantly improving workflow, safety, and overall performance. One prime example of this technological leap is the Selco 380 transport vehicle. Featuring a powerful 300 horsepower engine, this machine effortlessly transitions from a truck to ground transport, enabling it to efficiently move heavy equipment over long distances. The remarkable strength of the engine allows for faster transportation of massive loads, a crucial factor in construction zones where minimizing downtime is essential. The ability to quickly and safely transport machinery between sites not only accelerates the project timeline but also enhances safety by reducing the time spent manually moving equipment and lowering the risk of accidents. Similarly, the KMC 870 excavator, often dubbed the Colossus of Moss, showcases the immense power and versatility of modern demolition machinery. After the chicken is pre-cut, manual harvesting begins, where fillets and tenders are hand-picked to ensure only the best cuts of meat are used. After the meat is carefully separated, it is scanned using advanced X-ray bone detection technology. Any remaining bone fragments are flagged by the system and sent to a manual inspection area, where workers remove the last pieces by hand. Boneless meat then moves to a smart processing line that only releases products meeting the required batch recipe specifications. Once processed, chicken parts such as drumsticks, thighs, and breasts are either delivered fresh or frozen to KFC outlets. The chicken then enters the most important phase of flavor development, marination. KFC's proprietary blend of herbs and spices infuses the chicken with the distinctive flavor that sets their fried chicken apart. This spice blend is a closely guarded secret, known only to a select few. Powered by a 400 horsepower engine, this excavator is engineered for high-performance demolition tasks, such as breaking down building foundations with remarkable speed and precision. It is built with robust materials and advanced engineering to withstand harsh working conditions, maintaining top performance even under the most challenging circumstances. The machine's versatile design allows it to excel across various demolition tasks, from pulverizing tough concrete to completely clearing large foundation structures. This adaptability ensures that projects can progress without delays, further optimizing construction timelines. In a similar vein, the Volvo EC250NL excavator, with its 220 horsepower engine, excels at demolishing older buildings, offering exceptional performance and reliability for such tasks. When it comes to large-scale demolition, precision and strength are crucial. The combination of powerful transport and construction machinery streamlines the overall speed of operations, enhancing the overall productivity of projects. Finally, the Alice Chummer bulldozer, equipped with a 350 horsepower engine, highlights the versatility of modern construction machinery. Whether it's clearing trees or reshaping terrain for large-scale construction, this bulldozer is designed to handle a wide range of tasks with ease. Its powerful engine and robust build ensure quick, efficient, and precise work, making it a staple in both urban and remote construction projects. In conclusion, the integration of advanced technology and powerful engines into heavy machinery has profoundly transformed the construction, demolition, and mining industries. These machines, built for strength, precision, and efficiency, enable companies to complete projects faster, more safely, and with greater reliability. Despite setbacks like a devastating fire and the diversion of traffic due to a new highway, Sanders refused to give up. Instead, he decided to franchise his chicken recipe. After many rejections from potential partners, Sanders finally secured his first franchisee in 1952. By 1964, at the age of 74, Sanders had grown KFC into a global empire, with over 600 franchises worldwide. A critical factor in KFC's success lies in the high-quality chicken sourced from poultry suppliers worldwide. KFC works closely with these suppliers to ensure that the chicken meets strict standards for quality, safety, and ethics. Their commitment extends to sourcing chicken that adheres to rigorous guidelines around animal welfare, food safety, and environmental sustainability. With its powerful 300 horsepower engine, this machine is capable of clearing thick layers of snow quickly and effectively, ensuring that roads, highways, and vital public infrastructure remain passable throughout the winter season. The LaRue D65's advanced engine technology is optimized for working in the most extreme conditions, making it an invaluable asset for cities that must keep up with fast-changing weather patterns, reducing downtime and enhancing public safety during snowstorms. In the mining sector, technological advancements have similarly revolutionized equipment performance. The Tizmec 1150 Evo surface miner is a prime example, featuring a 500 horsepower engine designed for efficient soil and rock excavation. This powerful machine is built to dig into the earth, process large quantities of material, and move them across challenging terrain. The Mellow machine is a prime example of both, equipped with a massive 600 horsepower engine. Specially designed for heavy-duty projects such as tearing down old bridges, the Felder Mellow provides extraordinary power, coupled with exceptional control, to ensure demolitions are completed safely and efficiently. The machine's formidable engine enables swift operation without sacrificing accuracy or safety, allowing operators to work in the most challenging environments with confidence. For winter weather operations, the LaRue D65 Snowplow has redefined snow removal, particularly in cities experiencing harsh winters. With its powerful 300 horsepower engine, this machine is capable of clearing thick layers of snow quickly and effectively, ensuring that roads, highways, and vital public infrastructure remain passable throughout the winter season. The LaRue D65's advanced engine technology is optimized for working in the most extreme conditions, making it an invaluable asset for cities that must keep up with fast-changing weather patterns, reducing downtime and enhancing public safety during snowstorms. In the mining sector, technological advancements have similarly revolutionized equipment performance. Weighing a colossal 246,000 kilograms, the KMC 870 holds the title of Germany's largest demolition excavator. Its enormous engine provides the strength required to demolish entire buildings with pinpoint accuracy, and its sheer size allows it to perform a wide array of tasks that would traditionally demand multiple machines. This translates into both cost savings and a reduction in the time required to complete demolition projects. The KMC 870 can tackle large-scale demolitions, from dismantling multi-story structures to clearing massive debris piles, thanks to its unmatched strength and operational efficiency. This heavy-duty machine highlights the significant progress in construction technology, where power and precision work in tandem to deliver results even in the most demanding environments. Another exemplary machine that showcases the strength and adaptability of modern equipment is the Hitachi ZX870 LCH excavator. A vent cutter makes a precise incision around the chicken's vent to remove the internal organs, such as the intestines, liver, heart, and lungs, in one swift motion. Each chicken is then carefully inspected by plant workers and USDA inspectors for diseases, irregularities, or defects like bruising. Only a small percentage of chickens are rejected during this inspection. After passing these rigorous quality checks, the chickens are ready to be separated into their various parts, a highly automated process that places each chicken on a conveyor system to ensure the correct positioning for the cutting machinery. For precise cutting, the front halves of the chickens are placed on specialized saddles, which securely hold the birds. Cutting tools are programmed with specific recipes to ensure accurate cuts, resulting in consistent product quality. Whether it's demolishing buildings, excavating challenging terrain, or moving large equipment across difficult landscapes, modern machinery is designed to meet the increasing demands of the industry. As technology continues to evolve, the capabilities of these machines will only expand, driving even greater efficiency and innovation in the construction and mining sectors. The future of these industries is bright, with technological advancements paving the way for faster, more precise, and more sustainable operations. After preparation, the pizza bases are baked in high-speed industrial ovens, and the freshly baked crusts are moved to cooling towers. The topping process begins with machines that precisely apply tomato sauce, ensuring even distribution across the pizza base. Rotating machines then place carefully measured amounts of toppings, including meats, vegetables, and cheese, onto the pizza. After passing these rigorous quality checks, the chickens are ready to be separated into their various parts, a highly automated process that places each chicken on a conveyor system to ensure the correct positioning for the cutting machinery. For precise cutting, the front halves of the chickens are placed on specialized saddles, which securely hold the birds. Cutting tools are programmed with specific recipes to ensure accurate cuts, resulting in consistent product quality. A vent cutter makes a precise incision around the chicken's vent to remove the internal organs, such as the intestines, liver, heart, and lungs, in one swift motion. Each chicken is then carefully inspected by plant workers and USDA inspectors for diseases, irregularities, or defects like bruising. Only a small percentage of chickens are rejected during this inspection.